Yes, so good.
Measuring and drawing angles. The whole term is divided into 360 or 4 right angles. This whole circle is equal to 360. And 360, or you can say that 4 right angles. And one right angle is about 90 degree. One angle is
90
about
degrees.
90 degrees. Now the next one, an acute angle is less than one right angle. Any angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Any angle which is less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. And in one circle, how many right angles? 4 right angles. Obtuse angle is between 1 and 2 right angles. Means obtuse angle is between, this is one right angle. Between, an obtuse angle is between 1 and 2 right angles. This is 2 right angle. This is 1 right angle. So it will be here. This will be obtuse. This will be obtuse angle. Is it clear? These are the names only. Just keep in your mind. You know these things before already. A reflex angle more than 180 is reflex angle. More than 180 degrees is reflex angle. Any angle which is more than
what?
180 but less than 360 is called flex angle. Like this is reflex angle, example of the reflex angle. This is example of the reflex angle. All these diagrams you can see on your book also. This is the book page. Two lines are perpendicular if an angle between them is 90. See, this and this will be perpendicular if this angle is 90. If this angle is 90, this is called perpendicular. If this angle is 90 degree, this is perpendicular on this AB, this BC. BC is
This is 90
perpendicular
degree,
on
right?
AB. BC is perpendicular on AB. This
Huh?
means
What? Don't understand. It's perpendicular
BC,
in.
BC line is perpendicular on AB. It creates 90 degree. It creates.
Do
So
we
this
need
is
Mr.
90.
Two lines are perpendicular if the angle between
This
them
is 90
is
degree,
90.
right?
If the angle is 90, you can say that these are perpendicular. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now the next one.
This is
When you are
this is
using
which angle
protector.
obtuse?
Hmm?
This is right angle, right?
Yes, 90 degrees is a right angle.
Okay. No, okay.
When you are using a protector, this is protector. It is simple. It is important that you place the center of the protector exactly on the corner or the vertex of the angle. From where you want to draw, that point should be on that point. From where you want to estimate. And the line from which you want to draw this this red line should be on that. And this now C is about where? Look, I am magnifying this.
This is it. Yes.
This line should be on the line which from where you want to draw. And this point should be on the point from where you want to measure. After that, we will start measuring from here. From here to here 10, then 20, 10, 20, 30, and 40. from 10 to 30 to 40, here is 10 lines. Every one line representing 1 degree. The whole is 180 degrees. The whole is 180 degrees. This C is at point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So means that this angle is
36.
36. This angle is 36.
36.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, now this
Mr.
angle will be what? Here 35. There are here written 35, not 36. We are counting one more. This angle is from
40.
here 0 to
45.
145. 0 to 145. We start from
145.
here and move until here. This is 145. This is the introduction for protector. This is the introduction for protector. Okay, now come to the next page also. Page number 343. Measure reflex angle such as angle GHI. It is easier to use the circular protector if you have one. Circular protector means the one joint protector. This is, you can buy this from the market. It is also available. Circular protector, basically when you join two protectors together, it becomes circular protector, full protector. So the reflex angle will be more than 180. So that's why reflex angle cannot be measured with simple protector. For this we need circular protector. And we will start from the point H, and we should keep the line on G and then start moving from 1 to 10, 20, 30, 180, 200.
How will you know?
How
How will
you
you
know
know? There is no scale.
Here means?
There is no scale.
I don't understand what you want to say.
Okay, go to question number A.
Look, this is an angle. This until here 90. Okay. This 180. Is it correct?
Sir,
No, Mr.
did we
it's not
sir, excuse me. We skipped the last question that we stopped at the past lesson, yeah?
Yes, that's skipped. New lesson. You remember after 30 minutes that lesson?
No, I remembered, but I was thinking
Think
that
about
we
this,
finished
what
that.
I am doing now.
Okay, I understood this
No.
until now.
Mr. It's not
This 90 degree,
this question.
this
Here
180
is
degree.
90
Yes.
degree.
And this
180.
one,
So,
270.
270 and
And here will be
this 360.
360 and also 0. Starting point also it is. If we start from here, then it is 0. And if we can move again from here to here, then it will be 360. Okay, now, if we have an angle here, this will be more than 180 or no? From here to here.
yeah, it's more than 180.
It will be more than 180. Okay, if I draw the circle here, line here, and start moving this angle, this will be more than 270 or no? Because 270 is until here.
Yeah.
Definitely it will be more
It will
than
be less. Yeah.
So this is reflex angle. When the angle is between 180 and 360, these both are the reflex angles. These both are what? Reflex angles. Okay, now use the protector to measure the size of each marked angle. We need to measure the angle. For example, if I draw a line here, I draw a line here. This is your protector, okay? This is your protector, circular protector. You can see on the scale, this circular protector. Okay, if I want to draw the angle here, this angle for what?
Right angle.
This is right angle.
Not a right angle. It is less than.
MashaAllah.
It is less than
mashallah.
a
I
right
don't
angle.
Acute,
understand.
mister. I mean acute.
Acute.
It's accurate angle.
Yes, this is acute. 35 degrees. This is 35 degrees. What you will do? You will put the protector here, the center of the protector. This point, this point, this point, this one, on that place, and the line should be on the line, and then start moving from this side to
We
this
will put
side.
the center of the protector at the beginning. Okay.
Okay, then start moving from here to
Yeah.
here. This line will be at 35. This line will be if at 35. This line is at 35. So right, I am writing 35. It can be 40, it can be whatever. Okay. I hope you understand this. This is the maximum.
Then-
What can I do here on the board? Because
Mister.
there is no gadget
Sir,
which
me
I
too,
can
sir.
show to you.
I have
Huh?
a protector. I don't have a protector, mister.
So buy protector. In the market, so many protectors available. Maximum 1 real or 2 real. This is not very costly thing.
No,
You
no, I
will
don't
not
see.
find out.
What's protector, mister? We have to buy protector for the
Yes, sure. What do you feel? Should I give you protector? You have to buy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, now the next one. Let me insert a picture for protector here. I hope I have in my library. This is see from here to here. This is protector, circular protector. Okay.
I know.
If we want to draw, for example, we have a line here. We have a line here, and we want to draw the we want to measure the degrees and the line here. From this point to this point, we want to measure the angle. So what will be the angle here? What is the angle here which I draw?
360.
No.
Reflex, yeah.
How many degrees?
Mister, we cannot see.
You cannot see.
No, mister, it's
Now you can see.
220.
Yes, 220 from here to here.
220.
From here to here, it is 200,
180.
220. Okay. Now, I will try to find out the protector again, which is half protector. Not full.
You
Here.
finish. Hello, goodbye, sir.
What happened?
Okay, I didn't finish.
You are in hurry. You want to go somewhere?
No, sir. I said you.
Okay, this is protector you have, and you want to draw. Here is the point. This is a line. Okay. From
Yes.
this point A to
This
B,
is 0 degree.
this is a line. You should put this point on A. This point should be the protector point should be on A. Now, if we want to measure 30, question number 2, question number 2, question number 2, A part.
Yes. Use a protector
30. So what we will do?
to draw angles of the front side. 30 degree. 30 degree from this to 30 degree.
30 degrees. So
Yes.
this is the angle 30
This
degrees.
is the acute
Understand?
angle. Yes, yes, I understand. And 125, it will be reflex angle. 125. No, no, no. 125 will be obtuse angle, mister, because it's between 90 degree and 180 degree.
Okay, now
Right?
B. Use protractor to draw angle of the falling sides. Now we need to draw 125. B. So I will select this again. Protractor. Okay, that point should be on the line which you draw at 0 degrees, straight line, which you draw straight line like on the paper. And that point should be on that starting point A. And this is the line AB. Now we need the line 125. Where is 125? This is 120 and this will be 125 here. Okay. Put the dot here like this on the protector.
Here between the one
and yes.
110
Now you can remove the protector and join these with the scale. Because I am using the picture, so I will not remove the protector. Just you can remove the protector from the copy. And after that, join this point. Join this point.
Mister, it will be obtuse angle, right?
This will be, yes, this will be obtuse angle. This angle is how much?
Because 125.
So, sir, we use this thing to know the angle is how much degrees, yeah?
Yes. This angle from here to from B to
So,
C.
yeah, we
From B to C point, how much
put
is
it
the
in the
angle?
starter line.
Yes,
It
B is the
is
point, starter
six,
point.
yeah, it's 60. Between 60 and 50, and I didn't see the number.
125,
Also 90
0,
will be
10,
obtuse
20,
angle.
30,
Number
40,
55.
125. This is
Oh,
125. This angle is from here to here, 125. I am counting this blue, 0, 10,
Oh, yeah.
20, 30, like this. Okay.
Okay, the last thing.
Okay, if we
Oh, it is
want
125. Okay.
any confusion?
No.
No.
It was 125. Yeah, the answer.
No, sir. Number C, 90 degree means obtuse angle.
Okay, listen me. You are very much worried about obtuse and acute. What I am speaking, you are not concentrating on it. I don't know why. Okay, now again, this B can be another way. If you measure from the left side of the diagram, then how you will measure? Look. See, if you start from this side and the point is here, now B is here, A is here. Now 0, 10, 20, now we are measuring this value upper value, black digits. If we move from right to left, blue digits. If we move from left to right, black digits. So where will be the 125? 125 will be here. Here. Here at this point.
So this
Okay. Make the dot.
between
Now you
120
can
and 2.
now you can
Yeah, yeah.
remove your protector, use scale and draw these two line between these 2 points. Yes, like this. So this is now angle from here to here, 125. The remaining is, this angle is,
Sir, can I have a question?
yes.
Why should I remove the protector? I know it is
Okay, don't
125,
remove the
so I only
protector.
write the answer.
Don't remove the protector. Can you draw the line on the protector without removing protector from the
No, I
copy?
don't mean to.
Can you draw?
This is not the thing that I meant. Isn't the question only asking about, just say this angle is how much degrees?
What I am saying, remove the protector. When you draw on the copy, then you will understand it. Why I am saying remove the protector.
Okay.
Because the protector is a plastic, will be the plastic made. You cannot draw the line on
No,
the
I know,
plastic,
sir.
okay, without removing it. You need to draw the line on the paper, not on the protector. So make the dot and then join these points. Understand?
Okay.
Okay, now
Yes.
this is B. This is B part. In the 2 ways you can draw. If you are starting from here to here, this will be 125. If you are starting from the other side, from left to right, this will be 125. Both sides are the angles.
I understood today's lesson.
Okay, now see the last one. 90 degree, where it will be? It will be here at 90. From here, this point to this point, 90 degrees here. From this point to this point, both sides 90 degree is at the same place.
Yeah.
So join these 2 points for the 90 degree. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, inshallah. The remaining we will